Good afternoon. My name is Peter Aleskis, and I'm the National Sales Manager here at Test Products International in Beaverton, Oregon. And I'm here this afternoon to demonstrate and show you some of the capabilities of our Model 1020 single-channel particle counter. As indoor air quality becomes a larger and larger buzzword in the HVACR industry, it's imperative that many of you technicians and mechanical contractors out there that are looking to get into indoor air quality understand what it's all about and look at some of the tools that can help you sell some of that higher-end IAQ equipment. And that's basically what this particle counter can do for you. A particle counter can size and count particles. This particular unit counts 5 different sizes, 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2, and 5 micron on a per cubic foot basis. This particular unit has a retail price of $1,495, and it's great for clean rooms. It's looking for emission sources. If you're selling HEPA filters or doing any HEPA filter testing, it's great for testing air cleaning systems, IAQ monitoring, and if you're doing any kind of remote sampling, it's also good for those type of applications as well. It's very simple and easy to use. You just turn the unit on, you go into a confined space, and then you can show the occupant, the owner, the tenant, what kind of problem there is in terms of the air, the particles in the air. What's nice about these units is you can actually sell some of this higher end equipment like an air filtration system, and then you can come back and document that you've actually solved the problem that you're in there to solve in the first place. So it's a very good sales tool to show people there's an actual problem, and it's a nice way to go ahead and have that customer satisfaction that they know that the problem that you're in there to solve has in fact been taken care of. So let me basically show you how to use this unit. You just turn the unit on and I hit start, and by using the select button on my LCD I can change the size of the particles that I would be looking for. In this instance it's going from 2 to 5, back down to 0.3, 0.5, 1, 2, and 5, and so on. So let's say that I chose 2 as the size of the particles that I wanted to count. I simply hit the start button and the unit will fire up. It takes 1 minute to complete the sampling, and that, as the time winds down, you can see this analog bar graph will slowly move from left to right across the LCD screen. Now this particular unit, like I said, it has a retail price of approximately $1,495. There's many different particle counters on the market today, and a lot of them you'll see will be much more expensive than this particular unit. This is a single channel unit, and dual channel units are much more expensive, and what they can do that this one can't is that they can actually count 2 different sizes of particles simultaneously. However, because this unit is fast sampling and we get our real-time results in less than a minute, if you can do some simple arithmetic, you can sample 2 different sizes, do the math, and come up with the same thing that a more expensive unit would offer. So in this particular instance, my sample is done, my real-time count has been completed, and it says that in this particular space there are 4,540 particles that are 2 microns and larger per cubic foot. So it's very simple and easy to use this unit. It's imperative if you're going to be selling some of the higher end IAQ equipment that you show the homeowners, you show the building owners that there is a problem. This can verify that there's a problem, and then once you've solved that problem you can go back and show them the real-time results. If you'd like additional information on this Model 1020 particle counter, please give us a call. My telephone number is 1-800-368-5719. On approved credit, we could send you out an evaluation unit that you could have for 30 days, take it out in the field, kind of see how it works for you as a sales tool. So that's kind of a nice way to figure out how this thing works and how it can work for you. So if that's something of interest, please feel free to give us a call. If you'd just like some additional information on the particle counter itself, you can visit us on the web. Our web address is www.testproductsintl.com. Thank you.